Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and welcome to your weekly update. And I hope you all had a great weekend. But Mondays, you know what Mondays are? It's time to get back to work. It's time to put in some work. We have an interesting lineup, especially this little guy right here. A lot of you know what this one is all about. It's going to be a good week. Or not so good week. So yeah, welcome to your Monday video. Have a coffee, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let me know. Again, I absolutely love. I don't know if I've told you before, but I love the comments that all of you give me in these videos. If you're checking out a certain fragrance, a certain video this week, you're gonna pass on the whole week, all that. I absolutely love that feedback. I read it and I love it. So again, Mondays, of course, this video is just an update video. Tuesday, you got your subscriber's choice as usual. So you get to choose what I review. And then we go through the trough from Wednesday to Sunday. You got your sampling samples, you got your unboxings, you see 2 here, and then you see your test drive. We got a little bit of everything. We got some darker scents too, some lighter scents. We got some niche and some designer. This is where I'm my most comfortable, is give me the whole spectrum. We got some really crazy stuff. We got some summer stuff, we got some, some designer, easier stuff, and then we got some of the samples here that I'm really interested in. So let's start off with Wednesday, and probably the scariest video of the week, Sécrétion Magnifique from Eldo, Etat Libre D'Orange. This fragrance, I've smelt it before, by the way, so it's not a first impression, it's unboxing, and maybe some of you would say, wait, you smelt this and you got a bottle? Yeah. These little 50 ml bottles of Sécrétion Magnifique, I got it at a discounter, and they don't last on discounters, which is weird, but they don't. And the great thing about this brand and these 50 mils from discounters is that they're way under $100. They're like, I don't know what I paid, probably $75 Canadian. That's like 20 bucks US. I'm a collector, if you didn't know. I love unique things. Am I gonna wear this as my signature scent? Never say never, but it's probably not gonna happen. But it's a unique piece. It's a piece to have. And that's where I'm at with this. I'm at peace with adding it as just a piece of my collection. And it's something that will challenge my nose. Now, maybe it doesn't challenge it anymore. It did challenge it back in the day, and I smelt this like way back when. But anyway, Sécrétion Magnifique, from a brand that I really like. I've been really getting into Etat Libre D'Orange maybe like a year ago or something like that. After I smelt I Am Trash, I was excited about this brand. I got a whole bunch of them. So finally unboxing this. I haven't smelt it in years, and you'll want to tune in on Wednesday, because that's going to be interesting. It may not be like over the top from like other noses that, they think it's disgusting. I can't wait. Thursday's your test drive. It is Guerlain. It's an Aqua Liguria, which is a line that I absolutely love. A cheap line from Guerlain, more of a summertime fragrance. And of course, we're in the middle of winter here in Canada. We got snow on the ground now. This is Bergamot Calabria. One of the better releases from the Aqua Liguria line. Never really gave it a standalone video, so I can't wait to do it. It has a fairly good dent. It is something that obviously I do wear. I love the line, so I can't wait to talk about that one. Next, right beside this is the tin can. I know a lot of you know about the tin cans. Just did the unboxing on Elixir last week. Now we're going to be talking about Le Beau Le Parfum, so the EDP Intense version. I never bought it, so finally getting it. I've smelt this one in passing and felt ho-hum. Again, I'm a collector of this line, so it's just, I got the Elixir and I was like, you know what, I got them both at the same time. It's like, finally just get this one too. And then, of course, on the weekend, we got 2 samples. This one is, of course, your subscriber's choice from last week, and this is Guerlain's Cherry Oud. So that's the one that won. So we got 2 Guerlains this week, which is nice. I've never smelt it, so I'm really interested in Cherry Oud and see how good or bad it is. I would assume it's fairly decent. It has to be, right? And then beside that, on Sundays, a little Lucky Scent sample, you know, the Sweet Dabbers. And this is, again, man, I've talked about this brand a lot this year. I think this is one of the last, if not the last, sample I have from the brand. DS and Durga's Leatherized. So their leather-based fragrance, which is a newer release. They've released a whole bunch of fragrances this year, actually. So I'm actually behind. As much as I've sampled from the brand and bought from the brand, I'm way behind on them. But Leatherized, so a leather-based fragrance. You know I love my leather-based fragrances. So at the end of the day, what a week. I'm excited about the unboxings, the testing, all that. And glad to bring you on the ride. So thank you again. Merci beaucoup pour le support. J'apprécie ça. Certainly appreciate all of you out there that support me and my channel. And I can't wait to read your comments and see who's checking in what. I know there's going to be a lot of you checking in on this one to see my reaction, and I can't wait. So again, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Have a good week. Enjoy your week. Enjoy. Every day's precious. Have a good one.